Use baking soda to whiten your clothes. It's amazing. Baking soda makes an excellent deodorant as well as a natural cleaning agent. When you use it to wash and clean your clothes, it will enhance the effects of the detergent and help keep your white clothes even whiter. In addition to that, it also keeps your washing machine clean. Advantages of using baking soda for laundry. When you use baking soda to clean your clothes, you protect the environment. Regular detergent is known to contain aggressive ingredients that can be harmful to the planet. Baking soda softens the water used for washing clothes. In addition to that, it promotes the formation of lots of suds. This helps balance the pH levels of the water in the washing machine, so your clothes will be whiter and cleaner than ever before. Did you know that baking soda is an excellent fabric softener? Add half a cup to your rinse cycle. If you have stained clothing, even though it might be strong, stubborn, or sticky, baking soda can also be a great help. If you wash it with cold, instead of hot, water during a pre-wash, your colors will be brighter and the whites will look whiter. Pre-wash your clothing. If you want to take advantage of its deodorizing properties, it's a good idea to soak your clothes in a baking soda solution overnight. This will give it time to effectively eliminate bad odors from your clothing. It's a great option for towels and other items that smell of tobacco smoke, mold, or sweat. Ingredients. One cup of baking soda, 200 grams. 4 liters of water. What should you do? Combine these 2 ingredients in a bucket or large bowl. Add your clothing and soak them well. If necessary, add more water. Leave your clothes to soak overnight and they'll be ready to wash the next day. Baking soda in the washing machine. You can add a half a cup of baking soda to the washing machine once it's completely filled with water, pouring it in so it dissolves immediately. Then you'll continue your wash cycle as usual. If you're washing a lot of clothes in one load, you can add up to a whole cup of baking soda. Vinegar is another interesting ingredient when it comes to cleaning. Adding a cup of white vinegar will improve the deodorizing effects of baking soda. Dry clothing outdoors. The best way to dry your clothes that previously smelled of smoke, mold, or sweat is to hang them outside. Letting them dry in the sun and the wind will eliminate the last of any odors. Even on a cold winter day you can still hang your clothing outside. Just choose a place where they're exposed to the sun. You can also use a dryer. Once the dry cycle has ended, it's a good idea to smell your laundry and decide if you need to wash it again. How do you remove stains? Baking soda is also a natural stain remover. It's gentle enough to be used with all kinds of fabrics. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 10 grams. Water. Preparation. All you need to do is form a paste with baking soda and a little water. Another option is to use hydrogen peroxide or vinegar as a substitute for the water. This paste is perfect for removing stains from oil, grease, mud, food, and plenty of other substances. To apply it properly, rub it lightly on the stain. Make sure you cover the entire area where the stain is, especially around the edges. Let it sit for 15 minutes. When the stain is on tough fabric, you can scrub it using an old toothbrush. Never try to scrub delicate fabrics like silk or satin because it could weaken the fibers. Finally, rinse your clothing with plenty of warm water to remove any excess solution. On more delicate fabrics, it's best to use a wet cloth.